Дръж.
Аз държа, ма.
Виното е лесно да се пие, ама да се прави не е толкова лесно.
Така е. Юнак.
Да те питам за нещо. Ти знаеш колко годишна е Дърси?
Около 45-50.
Преди няколко дни беше казала, че май в менопауза и има такива флаш...
То
Хот флаш.
То процес, който го наблюдаваш, притеснява ли те? Това настроение.
Да, е много приятно.
I was just curious, did you ever picture Georgie marrying an American girl?
За нас не е имало значение. Знаем за проблемите в миналото, защото Георги е споделял с нас и за всичките неволи.
We know about the problems in the past because Georgie shared with us about all the troubles.
Yes, duh. Sometimes it's hard for him to open up to me, and that makes me a little scared and nervous.
Да, ще разговаряме с него, ще го посъветваме да бъде сговорчив и да си помагате взаимно.
We will advise him to talk solve the problems together, be talkative and help each other.
Да. Thank you, merci. Love you. Thank you.
Заповядай.
Perfect. I think Ginka and I are getting super close. I mean, she even sewed my button for me. I feel like we were, you know, two moms meeting in a loving way. I know she knows about the time when Georgie and I broke up, but I'm happy that she's not upset about that and she wants to help. Because I can't keep living the way I'm living in Miami, knowing that Georgie can't be open and honest and transparent with me. Because I feel like I've tried to get through to him, you know, communicating wise, and I feel like she's the saving grace. So we can move forward in a better way, you know?
That bread looks really good. Like,
Oh, yeah. Homemade.
like nice and squishy. They look like my, nice and squishy like mine.
Like what?
Nothing, never mind.
Hello.
Къде да
Да.
седна?
Е, тук.
Ми заповядай да ви е сладко.
Yes, cheers.
I've been away from home in the last 13 years, and finally, me and my wife, Darcy, will be sitting in the family dinner table, having dinner together. That's the most I miss. My mom food.
You know, your mom's an amazing cook and she does it with love.
Дарси, направили сме страхотни сърмички. Много са вкусни.
So you make very good sarmi.
Oh, I do? I learned from the best.
Така, ние от Дева с Дарси си поговорихме. И имам една молба към тебе. Винаги така да се изслушвате двамата, да бъдете търпеливи един към друг, както знаеш, ние с баща ти сме били, за да може просто в семейството да се решават проблемите.
Yeah, she's saying that she talked with you.
Yes.
Talked with you earlier about our communication.
Yeah.
We should be working more on our communication.
We
so
sure do.
communicate more with each other.
Yeah.
To understand each other. First, she arrived in inappropriate clothes, and now this. I want my parents to enjoy the moment of seeing me in so long time. Always I wanted was like nice dinner with my parents. And I don't want them to stress them out.
Ти си малко по-такъв...
Temperamental.
Да.
She's saying that pretty much I don't listen.
Sometimes I feel like I'm not getting everything I need out of the relationship. You know, I just want to be in the know of my husband's life.
Ето това също, но по принцип другото, което е, то знаете, аз някой път имам проблеми.
Да си остане в тебе.
По някакъв начин. Why crying? I'm explaining them also I have an issue in myself too.
I'm not saying that.
No, I'm saying also I have issue in myself because also it's like,
Спокойно, говори спокойно.
I don't want you crying.
Let me feel, please.
Естествено, като домакини на
Първа среща.
първа среща и на вечеря. Да, естествено, че е притеснително, че този човек може да пророни сълзи за проблем, който мисля, че съществува между тях, между сина ми и нея. Дарси, ако Георги не те обичаше и имаше намерение да те изостави, нямаше да те доведе в България и да те представи на нас. Защото ти си първата от всичките му приятели, които води в къщи и те представя.
Merci.
Което означава, че много те обича.
Darcy, if Georgie didn't love you and had intentions of abandoning you, he wouldn't have brought you to Bulgaria and introduced you to us because you are the first of all his friends that he brings home and they.
Girlfriends.
Yes, I know. I can
Those are
understand.
my
I
girlfriends that I
understand.
bring to my family.
Yes.
And like, that's why
Yes.
she thinks I love you so much.
Oh, so sweet. Yes. Yeah. I know.
I love Georgie, and I know Georgie loves me. I know he loves me very deep. But I can't change who I am. You know, if I'm emotional in this moment or other moments, that's okay. You know, I think his family will accept me for who I am and love me regardless. I think he just needs to be a little softer with me. And I know our communication skills aren't at its strongest, but I pray that they get better.
Thank
Darcy-
you.
Darcy
Just tell me
say-
to thank you for my, like, yes,
She said
you're right.
thank you. Казва, че благодари и...
You guys know, and I couldn't hold that in, so I'm sorry. It was at the dinner table first day. I just,
Казва, че съжалява, че нали, трябваше да водим този разговор на вечеря.